Hi, and welcome to what I'm calling Stocktober because it is October and I'm stocking up the boat for our trip south this winter. So we've done sugar. Next up, flour, of course. Sugar and flour, they pretty much go together, right? Now, of course, I have all the flours. You do not have to have all the flours. It's not necessary, but I like my 00 for pizza crust, cake flour. I've got bread flour. I've got whole wheat for whole wheat bread, and of course, the all-purpose. And you can do all the things with the all-purpose. You do not have to have all the different flours, but um, I'm a little nuts, so that's okay. And I have room on my boat for it, so then I'm gonna have it. But if you don't have room, just get the all-purpose. But really, the biggest thing that I want to talk to you about when you are making your flour choice is to get a flour that is unbleached. That is the biggest thing that you want to look for. Unbleached flour. Now, most flours, if they don't say unbleached, then they're bleached. And they're bleached with either bleach, yes, bleach, or bromate. Now, this bromate, they say, oh, we think it may be carcinogenic because we know it causes cancer, kidney cancer, thyroid cancer, and gastrointestinal cancer in animals. So therefore, it's probably cancerous to humans. So I'm going to go, yeah, I'm going to stay away from that. I'm pretty sure that's going to be cancerous to humans. And I think this era that we live in now, and people have so much gastrointestinal problems, and it comes from so many things in our food, and a lot of people think it's just flour, but then you don't know what's in that flour. So having a flour that you know what's in it and how it's made, I think can help make a big difference. Now, the thing with the King Arthur and why all of my flours are King Arthur is that all of their flours are unbleached. And even their cake flour, unbleached cake flour, I promise you, if you go looking for it, is a hard thing to find. So finding an unbleached cake flour is priority number one. And this company, they use a natural way, like 2 to 4 weeks for it to slowly oxidize, for the flour to slowly oxidize, and then it naturally becomes white instead of speeding this process up with bleach or bromate. So they just naturally let their flour oxidize. This is a employee-owned company. They use only wheat from American farmers. They do not import any wheat from any other countries. It's all wheat from American farmers. Everything they do within the strictest specifications of the industries to produce their flours. So obviously, as you can see, the King Arthur brand is what I choose, and I think if you choose it, you will love it too. And all of their flours are actually, you can see this here on the gluten is higher than most other flours. So, like, you want a high gluten content for your bread flour because you want your bread flour to give you that nice, tight crumb that's kind of chewy and pully. Where your cake flour, you want a lower, I don't know if it has it on the front there, you want a lower because you want it to have that really nice, light, airy crumb. And of course, there's non-GMO, everything, all their flours, not flour, flours, they're non-GMO. The wheat comes only from American farmers, all unbleached. I mean, we're not talking about wheat flour here, but it's all unbleached. And so, I don't know, I can't say enough good things of why, as of right now, I cannot find a better flour on the market that I choose to use than the King Arthur brand. But again, just do yourself a favor, choose a flour, hopefully that's non-GMO, and hopefully that's unbleached. That's your biggest thing. Pick one that's unbleached. Thanks for being here. We got more Stocktober to come. There's plenty more things that we have to stock up on. But now we've got flour and sugar done. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Pick an unbleached flour.